Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile data when you are in flight mode. So before going to the video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So as you can see here, mobile is not in flight mode. So right now I will on it. So I will on the flight mode and I will check the internet connection, is it on or off. So as you can see here, there is no internet connection. I will refresh it once. So as you can see here, no internet connection is there. So to enable internet connection when you are in flight mode, so just open your dialer and enter *#*4636 ***. You no need to dial directly like a call button friends, directly it will take to this page screen. So click on the phone info. So here just scroll down. So here you will be getting an option called mobile radio power. So just enable it. So once you enable it, just close it. So I will come back to my browser and once I will show you, I will refresh my page. As you can see here, my mobile is in aeroplane mode. So you can browse it anything right from here. So I will search as Facebook. So as you can see here, we got it. So that's all for this video friends. If you like this video, please comment down your opinion below and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.